Hi friends, welcome to Guru Maths Theory. In this video we will be only covering theory. No problems, because problems are already covered in this Guru Maths Olympiad app. All the tough as well as simple problems, every problem is covered in this app chapter wise. So you can download this app from Play Store and get all these problems as well as these theory lectures. These are useful for CBSE, ICSE, state boards, basically all state boards, and everyone who is dealing in maths. So let's start. Mensuration. Now what is mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement of length, area or volume of various geometric shapes. Here, length, area or volume. These three can be measured using mensurations. Then what is a shape? Means what do you mean by shape? Shape is a form of an object. Means example, two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes, like that. Two dimension means square, rectangle, etc. Three dimensions means cube, cuboid, sphere, etc. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length or total distance covered along the boundary of a closed shape. Remember, closed shape. You can't find a perimeter of an open shape. Open shape means where the boundaries don't meet. Okay. So perimeter is what? This A, B, C, D total. When you start walking on this boundary, whatever you get is the perimeter when you come back to the original point. Perimeter of a circle is also called the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of triangle means what? Sum of all the sides. A plus B plus C. If the given triangle is equilateral, then all the sides are equal. Equilateral means all sides equal. Okay. So A plus B plus C will be what? A plus A, right? So it will be 3A. That is 3 into length of the sides of the triangle. About perimeter of rectangle. What is rectangle? Two sides equal, opposite sides, right? So what is perimeter then? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. But both the lengths are equal. So 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So take 2 common. 2 into length plus breadth. Some books call it width, some books call it breadth. One and the same thing. Perimeter of a square. All sides equal. So what? Side plus side plus side plus side. 4 into side. Because equal. So 4 into A. Right? It means perimeter of a n-sided polygon. Now n-sided polygon means what? We are considering a regular polygon over here. What do you mean by regular? Regular means all the sides are equal. Only then this formula will apply. Here, polygon is made up of closed shapes made up of line segments, right? Perimeter of n-sided polygon equals to n into length of one side. See this A. How many sides? 6. So 6 into A, right? Perimeter. Why? Because all the sides are equal. That's why it's possible. Perimeter of irregular shapes. Irregular shapes are shapes which do not have all sides equal and angles equal. See, this is like no sides are equal. So the perimeter of irregular shapes is equal to the total length covered by that shape. You can't find it in that case. What you have to do is, given if the lengths are given, only then you can add them and move on. Means that will be the answer. But if the lengths are not given and then you are told to find the perimeter of any irregular shape, you can't find it. Okay. Basically perimeter is sum of all the sides. Okay. Now what is area? Area is the total amount of the surface enclosed by a given figure. Means what surface, this surface, this inside part, how much it covers, that is known as the area. Perimeter was border. Okay. So area of square. What is the area of square? Side into side. This side into side. So side square. Because square means all the sides are equal. So it will be side square. Area of the rectangle. This length into breadth. Okay. L into B. Area of triangle. Half base, this base into height. This height. Okay. So everything will be given to you in the exam. And you will have to just find the area. Next. So if this angle is obtuse angle, means triangle is obtuse angle triangle, then the height will be outside. And the base will be this. But you can take this height also. If you take the inside height and base as the other side, this can also be done. Area will remain the same. Okay. What's important is you can take any base and any height. Only the condition is height and base should be perpendicular to each other. Okay. Then if it's a acute angle triangle, then height will be inside and base will be outside. Base will be at the bottom. Yeah, it's not compulsory actually that you must take only bottom bases. You can take any base. Only that condition which I told you, height and base perpendicular to each other. How the areas of irregular shapes are calculated? See here. Divide the irregular shape into regular shapes so that you can recognize them. Means what? Irregular to regular. Convert them to triangles, squares, whatever you can measure. Circles, squares, etc. It should be, we must have the formula for these shapes. That's it. So find the area of the individual shapes and add them. We have done this in our earlier video also. See this example. This is an irregular shape. So what we do? We'll convert it to basic shapes which we can find out the area of. See this rectangle, this one, then this above, then this above. 3 rectangles are there. So what you have to do is you have to find the area of all the 3 rectangles and then just add them. So what is the area of this rectangle, base one? 9 into 5. See 9 into 5 over here. Then what is the area of this rectangle? 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Then this last one, 3 into 3. Right? It's a square. Both the sides are equal. So find the areas and 45 plus 8 plus 9. Add them, 62 cm square. That is the area of this whole figure. That way it is done. So that was a theory on perimeters and area. You can download this app, Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. So here, in this app we have problems and theory, both separate videos. All the tough problems are solved which are useful for CBSE, ICSE and state boards. You can get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.